How to write YouTube script. Whether you're making tutorial reviews or faceless content, the structure keeps your video engaging, clear, and easy to edit. So you need to start with the hook. Start with a bold statement, question, or quick preview, such as want to earn money from YouTube in 2026? Here's the exact roadmap. Keep it short. Viewers want to know what they'll learn. So an example for that would be in this video, I'll show you how to add chapters to your YouTube video step by step. Now proceed with the main content. So break into clear sections, step-by-step guide for tutorials, pros and cons for reviews, and story beats for narratives. Use overlay text and visual cues to match narration. Tips. Remember, timestamps must start at 000 or YouTube won't create chapters. Verdict. Adding chapters makes your videos more professional and accessible. And that is how to write a YouTube script.